Ready na going to Singapore with Monica.
There you go.
Ito rin. Dito kami ngayon sa Pasay. Dito kami nag-stay for 2 nights. Good luck. See you inside the airport. Ayan, kukuha na si Bernard ng aming travel tax. Now inside the airport. Jasper.
Mami.
Yeah. Going to our ticket. Cebu Pacific. Immigration. May ticket na si Monica. We are going inside the immigration na. They will gonna interrogate you for 2 hours.
Hoping no.
No upload. Not upload. Good luck to Monica ka no. Bawal po take video or pictures sa immigration. Hey! Pasado si Monica.
Uwi na ako, guys.
Alam niyo ba kanina? Nanginig buong katawan niya. Nung nasa immigration kami kasi akala niya ma-offload yan. Oh, pero ngayon may chop na yung passport niya.
Miss Rebecca Espiritu, Mr. René Jeffrey Caplan, Miss Rika Pumatsu, Miss Rowena Pumagali, Mr. Queen Perez.
Finally, nasa aeroplano na, guys. Maya-maya lang. Dito tayo.
Going to take off soon. Ayan, napakalaking plane.
Yay! Dalawa-dalawa to na.
Welcome to Singapore.
Yeah, finally, first time here.
Now going to below. So cold. So cold. Pasado na talaga si Monica. Kukunin na namin ang aming luggage. Sobrang lamig.
For those feeling unwell, please use the lift.
Your reaction. Medunsa. Wow. Ate Monica is first time to ride the train here. Look, oh. Very nice here. Ay,
in Little India.
Little India na. Si, ano?
That's
dito
why
muna.
there's a lot of Indians here.
You met your relatives here.
Yeah. I think so. You have the same skin color.
Tika Center. Tika.
This is the market in Little India in Singapore. Food court is over there, and then vegetable section and fruit section, and the other section is the meat section.